Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be trying out the White Wit Style at-home whitening kit. It comes in this pretty little package right here, and the flavor that I got was strawberry. So the package comes with a syringe which already has the whitening gel inside of it. It comes with 2 mouth trays. It comes with the LED light which helps to activate the gel, these vitamin E swabs, this tooth whitening shade guide, and instructions, of course. So let's start off by seeing how yellow my teeth are. Somewhere around here. That's embarrassing. Oh, my teeth are yellow. My teeth need some help, guys. So the instructions for molding the mouth trays are to bring water to a boil, then remove it from the heat and cool for 6 minutes. Submerge one of the mouth trays into the hot water for 10 seconds or until the tray appears soft. For best results, do not overheat the mouth tray. Then place the mouth tray into your mouth, covering your upper teeth. Close your mouth. Suck all the air and excess water from the tray, creating suction between the tray and your teeth. Gently push the tray against the front of your teeth by pressing against your upper lip. Wait 15 seconds before removing the tray from your mouth. Place the mouth tray into a cup of cold water for 12 seconds. Repeat steps above for lower mouth tray. After molding both mouth trays, use scissors to cut any excess material from the gum line. And it says that this will help to avoid any possible gum irritation. Next thing you want to do is remove the plastic where the battery is so that the LED light will work. The reason they have it there is to prevent the battery from running low during the shipping process. So now I'm going to add the whitening gel into each tray, and a little goes a long way, so into each indentation. Once you've done that and you have both trays in your mouth, just turn on your LED light, put that in your mouth as well, and just wait 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and I just took everything out. It's looking a little whiter. What do you guys think? Alright, so overall I'm pretty pleased. It's not all the way to, the whitest shade, but it did lighten my teeth a few shades. So as I keep using it, it should get whiter and whiter. So I'm pretty much pleased with it. I didn't experience any burning sensation, so I didn't need to use the vitamin E swabs to wipe off any excess off of my gums. Let me know if you've tried this product before and how it worked out for you. I've used the Crest white strips before and they've done nothing for me, so I'm really excited to see long term what this is going to do for me. It retails for $269.99, but they gave me a coupon code that you can use and you'll get it for only $28. So that's a drastic discount. They have a ton of different flavors that you can choose from. I chose strawberry, and they also have the Sparkling White Teeth Whitening Kit with charcoal. That one, if you use my discount code, you'll get it for $37.99. So it's completely up to you if you want to look into it. The discount code, the website, and the direct link to the product will all be in the description box below this video. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.